Hello everyone. I will now briefly explain how to sign into MS Teams. MS Teams is an application that we will use to give our live EAP lessons and the other SoFL courses. We share documents, post assignments, and communicate via MS Teams. So it will be the main means of instruction and interaction. First, you should download the MS Teams app to your desktop or laptop computer. Go to Microsoft.com and click Download for Desktop. Then click Download Teams and create a shortcut on your desktop so that you can easily access the app later on. Second, you should click the app and enter your Yaşar ID. Enter your username, which is your student number at stu.yasar.edu.tr. Your username will automatically appear on the screen. Click Next. First, you need to click on this link to set up your password. After you enter your password, click Sign In. Third, you should join a team. Your class teacher will have added you to the team for your lesson beforehand, so you should be ready in front of your desktop or laptop at the time stated in the timetable of your class. In order to join the class at the designated hours, start MS Teams by clicking the app on your computer, select the Teams button on the left side of the page, and then pick your class. You can find all the documents shared by your teacher under the Files tab at the top of the page. Thank you all, and I hope everyone a fruitful semester. Stay healthy.